Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Kobalt 40 volt max string trimmer. I did get this on sale. It still is on sale. If you guys could still find it on the Kobalt. The way I found this is through Brickseek. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. So we got pretty much a 40-minute runtime. 40-minute runtime, dual line, bump feed, 13-inch maximum cutting swath. Includes a battery and a charger, and there's a string trimmer there. It says 40 volt max. It says here a 5-year on the tool and the 3-year on the battery. We got model number 0796787 cordless string trimmer. Alright, let's get to the unboxing here. Alright, the first thing that we see here is the actual unit itself. It's broken through this side here. And this is the motor. This is the motor of the string trimmer. And then we got the strings attached. And then we have the battery compartment. And then where the battery goes. And then the trigger. We got 1 and 2. Pretty simple. And then we got some instructions. We'll set these aside. Set these on the side. Some more instructions. Battery instructions. Charger instructions, and no more instructions. Got the handle. And then we have looks like the protector for this part. And then we've got the charger. So flashing red, I guess the battery is no good. Solid, that's flashing red. Solid red is temperature is hot. Solid green is charged, and flashing green is charging. And there's the LED, I guess. And then we got the battery. Got the battery here. We got 1 bar. So we're gonna go ahead and put this on the charger while we got some heat sink right there, some holes and connectors right there. That's some Kobalt. All right, let's put this on the charger. Alright, we got a flashing green. I don't know if you guys could see that. But you do have flashing green, so we'll leave that on the back room. At the back, here on the back, while we do the assembly of this unit. Looks like we got a tab. Tab this thing. And it looks like it goes in there. So let's try and put it in there. Alright, once you hear the click, it's in there. Take this apart. Some sort of guard. And then get the guard itself. And then we got some hex tooler. Like so. Just bolt through here, put it all the way in there, and then we just tighten it up with this this lug nut washer. And you can adjust it pretty much. Alright, we got some sort of tape here. Let's just rip this out. And then here's the two bolts. I guess this is what this is for. See my frame here. We got this guard here, I guess. Pretty much probably just goes in there like so. Alright guys, that's it for today. This is my quick review for this Kobalt 40 volt max. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tutorials to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.